After the Master leaves, one of the deepest lessons I learned from the visit of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama to South India is this. People remember the sun, but they forget the sky that held the light. Everyone bows to the holy presence. Everyone speaks about the inspiration they received. Everyone shares the moment they witnessed. Yet the place, the organizers, the workers, the silent contributors whose sacrifice created that opportunity are slowly erased from memory. Without those unseen efforts, there would have been no gathering, no blessings, no meeting at all. For nearly 2 months, day and night, the atmosphere around his residence was overflowing with faith. Thousands walked lingkhor every single day. The sound of prayers filled the air. Malas moved constantly in people's hands. Eyes searched with devotion, and hearts carried hope. Old and young, rich and poor, monks, nuns, and laypeople, they came from every direction, from distant villages, big cities, and many parts of the world. More than 20,000 people, perhaps even more than we can imagine, received the priceless blessing of His Holiness. To witness such devotion was overwhelming, powerful, and unforgettable. Faith like that is beautiful. Faith like that is necessary. Faith like that keeps our spiritual life breathing. But when His Holiness departed and the crowd disappeared, reality became quieter, and in that quietness, something painful could be felt. The importance of the place that hosted him, served him, and carried the responsibility for those long 2 months seemed to shrink overnight. The same ground that people once considered sacred began to look ordinary again. The same people who worked tirelessly returned to being unnoticed. Gratitude faded faster than the footsteps of the pilgrims. What truly shook my heart was seeing that even after receiving teachings, blessings, smiles, and direct inspiration, many people did not seem different. The warmth did not grow, the humility did not deepen, the way of treating others did not improve. We expect that being near a great master will melt something inside us, that compassion will become more natural, that appreciation will become stronger. Yet when behavior remains the same, we are left with a difficult question. Did we only visit, or did we truly receive? Blessings are not photographs. They are not stories to repeat. They are not moments to show the world. Blessings are responsibilities. They should transform how we speak, how we think, how we see others, and how we act once the event is finished. The real devotion is proven after the master leaves. It is visible in respect, unity, gratitude, and genuine kindness practiced in ordinary days. If nothing changes in us, then the holiest moment risks becoming only a memory instead of a turning point. This is what I learned.